I wanted this. Oh, I think this is the, whoa, it is like, I don't know how they did that. Minasan konnichiwa, this is Tina and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the YesStyle Advent Calendar. If that sounds like your thing, then please go ahead and channel登録しちゃってください。Christmas has come early this year with the YesStyle Advent Calendar. I am pretty sure it's my 3rd year running now that I have received their Advent Calendar, which like it's almost a tradition now. It makes me so excited for Christmas. If you've watched me for a while, I'm going to assume that you already know of YesStyle, but if you don't, they are a global online retailer that sell absolutely everything from clothes to accessories to K-beauty to J-beauty. I feel like not that many online retailers actually sell Japanese beauty products. So yeah, they're always my go-to when it comes to wanting to have access to especially J-beauty as well as K-beauty from Australia, since I can't always access all the new and trendy products. In this video, I will be unboxing the Advent Calendar as well as hosting a giveaway for 2 of you guys to win this same calendar. So thank you so much to YesStyle for sponsoring this video. Sure. So I haven't actually seen the box or anything as of yet, but I know the theme is Winter Beautyland. So, you know, let's go ahead and open this box. Ooh, wait, this way? Oh my goodness. Wow! So cute. Here is the box set itself. Every year the design is always so adorable that it's always hard for me to throw out like the physical box. I literally only just threw out last year's 2 days ago. So this is this year's one. It says Winter Beautyland and it has these cute little animals on the front, and around it it has all the illustrations as well. How does this, that's a drawer. Wait a second, it has like a mirror on it. There's a mirror in it. Before we get started in unboxing each product, the calendar itself has 24 full-size skincare and makeup items that are valued at over $500 US, but the box itself does retail for $164.90. Pre-order does start on September 19th for gold and silver members, so that has already started. And then for all customers, pre-order does open October 3rd, but the official launch is on October 10th. If you do want to take part in the giveaway, make sure you watch until the end of the video. Initially, it wasn't going to be a giveaway at all, but I kind of asked them and they're like, yeah, of course we can host a giveaway. So thank you so much, YesStyle, for letting you guys have a chance in winning this epic Advent Calendar. And if you are just shopping on YesStyle, which I know a lot of you guys do because I do as well, you can use the code TINA2023 to get some dollars off too. All right, let's get to actually opening the calendar. So as we saw earlier, the calendar actually opens this way, and we do have the top that comes up like this, and then the bottom drawer opens up like that. Oh my goodness, it looks crazy. With Advent calendars, are you supposed to open from number 1 or number 24? Does anybody know? Oogie! Yeah. With Advent calendars, are you supposed to open from number 1 or number 24? Number 1. Number 1, okay, thank you. Yeah. So we're gonna start with number 1. I actually do have to find each one. Here it is. Aw, look at the cutie. Here is number 1. What do we got? Ooh, we have the PYUNKANG Deep Clear Cleansing Balm. I'll be honest, I didn't even know that they did a cleansing balm, but I'm going to assume that it's going to be like really simple and gentle ingredients like a lot of their products. And yeah, oh, it is a full size, obviously. Such cute packaging. So that is box number 1. I feel like this year they actually thought about how people can use the box afterwards, because previous years I wanted to keep the box, but it wasn't that practical. But this year, like, you can literally empty out all the boxes and you can use the drawer and then have this like mirror as well. So smart thinking, YesStyle. This is so fun. This is box number 2. Ooh, Lily Bread Blush. The Love Beam Cheek Balm in number 3. It is so cute. It is a heart shape. Why can't I open it? Ooh, oh, that's such a nice color. That is a color that literally like everybody could use. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, so pretty. Literally so pretty. It's like a nice like peachy pink shade. Number 3, number 3. Whoa, big one, number 3. Whoa, what is this? Kahiba? It's not like the regular pink one. What is this? Whoa, is this like a special edition Kahi Balm? It is so cool. Whoa, what is this cool packaging? Oh no, I broke it. Did I break it? I didn't break it. What is this? So maybe it is the multi-balm, but like a refillable version. That is so cool. I have used the regular Kahi Balm and it was nice, and Logan really likes it as well. So if they've come up with like a refillable version, that is like so cool. Number 4. Ooh, CLIO glittering eye stick in the shade Glit Me. I love my glitter liners. I think I actually have one of these, but they're so easy to add that little bit of like twinkle under the eye. It's actually a really nice shade. It's like a warm peachy shimmer shade. Number 5. Ooh, Beauty of JOSEON Calming Serum, Green Tea, and Panthenol. Obviously, Beauty of JOSEON is a brand that so many people love. I actually haven't tried as many of their serums as I probably should. So this one is, ooh, the green one, the green tea. So here it is. I'm having way too much fun. Number 6. Oh, I literally just bought this. It is the Romand Han All Brow Fixer. I literally bought this off YesStyle like a couple weeks ago. Damn it, should have waited for the calendar. Literally just a clear brow fixer. I do use a clear brow gel, and I thought this one was nice because it does have like quite a small tip, so it's like easier to control. And yeah, I guess I've got a backup now. I like that it's also uncolored, so literally everyone can use it. Number 7 is up here. We have the Sun By Me Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. I know the new Sun By Me retinol range has been very, very popular. I've seen many people rave about it. I got the serum out to start using very recently, but then I got my like skin reaction and I didn't want my skin to freak out from the retinol, so I haven't used it as of yet, but Logan has been using it and he said it's been quite nice so far. Number 8. What is it? Ooh, ETUDE Lash Perm Volume Fix Mascara. Oh, that's such a cute packaging. I actually haven't used any of ETUDE's mascaras for like quite some time now. And it is obviously like a volume curling mascara. Number 9. Oh, this one's so cute. It's got a little sled and a reindeer. Ooh, it is the FRUDIA Proust Essential Blending Hand Cream. I do love my hand creams. Oh, I love the packaging. I wonder if it has a scent to it. Ooh, I think it does have a scent, but it's very, very subtle. It's almost like a balm hand cream. Oh, it definitely has a smell, but it is quite subtle. 100% natural essential oil scent, but it doesn't say what. I don't know, I'll have to look up what scent it is. I'm not very good with guessing scents because I have a bad sense of smell, but it does smell nice. Number 10. Ooh, MACQUEEN Fake Up 3 Color Shading in number 1 Beige Brown. I'm gonna assume that it's like a contour compact. Ooh, the packaging is so sleek. Oh, that's really cool. It's kind of like the Too Cool for School like art class shading. I will say like Asian shading products, at least for me, it obviously suits my skin tone better and they're usually a bit more subtle. They don't have as strong of a color to them, so I will be testing that one out. Number 11. Where are you? Ooh, down the bottom here. The illustrations get me every time. Ooh, we got a favorite. The YUNIK Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. I enjoy this one and Logan is also a huge fan of this YUNIK sunscreen. I know so many people love it already and it is great to have a backup. Number 12. Ooh, we have the Amuse Dew Tint. Such a lovely lip tint. It is in the shade number 9 Soul, which I do believe I already have. So I'll show you guys the swatch of the one I've already opened because I don't want to open a double one. I could probably give it to my auntie or something. So I genuinely do use these Amuse lip tints like all of the time. And this is the number 9 that is in the advent calendar. Isn't it such a pretty color that I feel like would suit so many people? The tint itself is a lovely formula. I think I've basically got every shade at this point because I love the formula. I wiped it off like pretty much straight away and it still leaves a tint. So that is number 12. We're officially halfway through. Oh no, that's sad. I want to continue opening these forever, you know. Number 13, here it is. Ooh, HARUHARU Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Essence. How have I never seen this product before? I have tried many products from HARUHARU Wonder and enjoy them very much. Whoa, look at this product. It's got fermented black rice and bamboo shoot bark extract. Antioxidant rich nourishment to your daily face for amplified protection. I guess like a hydrating essence. I had no idea they even had this as part of their product lineup. Number 14. WAKEMAKE Stay Fixer Pact Vegan. I wonder if this is a cushion or... Oh, definitely not a cushion. Nice, sleek packaging. Oh, it's a translucent powder. How cool. I was actually running out of my current translucent powder and I've been using it for like way too many years. Most powder compacts like have it on the actual powder and I don't like that. So I like that this has a little flip to it. I have only tried, I think, lip products from WAKEMAKE so far, but I have enjoyed it. So I'm totally up for trying a couple more of their products. Number 15. What's in this one? Whoa, big product. Oh, a brand I have never heard of before. KOELF Blueberry and Cream Ice Pop Hydrogel Eye Mask. How adorable. So it does say it's a hydrogel eye mask that contains shea butter, blueberry fruit extract, which is recharging and nourishing. I wonder if they're actually purple. Always tells me not to do that. Oh, they're so cute. Look, they're like stripy. Oh no. Why do I always do this? You guys saw it, right? I'm not going to do it again because I'm going to waste the essence, but it's like purple and white stripes. How cute. Comes with a little spatula in the bottom of the box as well. Cute. Number 16. Ooh, what is this? HOLIKA Holi Pop Double Eyelid Liner. Double Eyelid Liner. Does that mean like crease? It's pink. Somebody tell me how to use this. It's like a really subtle pink shade. I don't know if you can even really see it on camera, but I'm going to assume that you use it to like draw in your ego style or that double eyelid, I'm going to assume. Someone can even tell me in the comments what this is exactly for. We got a little carousel on the box this time. Ooh, CosRX, the Hyaluronic Acid 3 Serum. So this one has amino acids and ceramide NP to be hydrating and retain moisture. I do like the fact that they've included skincare products that I feel like all skin types can use. Like a lot of it is hydrating, calming products, which I feel like can definitely be used by all skin types. Biggest box possibly. This is number 18. The Peach Sea Tuning Brush Set. So we've got a blusher brush, nose shading brush, base shadow brush, and a clear pouch. Oh, how pretty. These are the brushes and they're like, got like a subtle lilac tip to them and they come in this little pouch as well. Actually see how soft this is. Oh yeah, I like that. Number 19, we've got a little polar bear. Ooh, we have the Klairs Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. You guys know that Klairs is probably one of my favorite K-beauty brands like ever. I just feel like so many of their products have worked for me. I have used this cleanser too. A really nice, simple, basic self-foaming cleanser that again, I feel like everybody could use. And then number 20, let's see what it is. Oh, it is the Petit Peta Ink Velvet Lip Tint and Liner Set in Rosy Nude. You know what? This was literally in my YesStyle wish list. Everybody has, right? We heart like hundreds of products and think about when we want to buy them. And this one was in my wish list, but then when I went to make my next purchase, it was gone. Like it was out of stock. Here it is. I'm so excited. You get the actual ink velvet lip tint, but you also get the lip liner that matches it. I don't usually use lip liner, not gonna lie, but recently I've kind of like wanted to get back into it. And I thought it was just so convenient that they had it together. So you know you're getting the right shade. Ooh, the lip liner is so creamy. The Petit Peta ink velvet tints are like one of the best selling lip tints ever. They have so many shades. The formula's nice and they're so affordable, like literally so cheap. That is the lip liner and lip tint together. It's a really nice kind of mauvey rose nude, especially going into cold months now for you guys. It's going to be like really nice autumn winter color. I can't believe it was in here when I wanted it. That's so funny. Number 21. Ooh, we have the Access Y PHA Resurfacing Glow Peel. This one has 10% PHA and it is like a chemical exfoliant, but a really gentle one. Access Y is a brand that I feel like I haven't explored explored too much as of yet. I used their gel wash off mask and honestly loved it, so I don't know why I haven't tried more of their products. I must try their brightening serum as well. I know so many people love it. Number 22. Ooh, what is this? Too Cool for School Art Class Frottage Pencil in 01 Shining Linen. I wonder if this is like a highlight. Let me open it up. Let's swatch it on my hand and see. I'm gonna assume it is just like a highlight pencil. Whoa, it is like, what the hell? That's such an interesting texture. It's like, I mean, it is a highlighting pencil, but it's like powdery. I don't know how they did that. It's like a creamy but powdery texture. I'll pop a little bit on my nose. You already have highlighter on today, so it might be hard to tell, but whoa, this is such an interesting formula, but I kind of love it because it's like not sticky or creamy like a lot of pencil types are. It's literally like powder. What on earth? Might have to see if they have other shades of this one. I'm like genuinely interested and want to try them out now. Number 23. Ooh, Maison Phyto Plump Collagen Night Cream. Ooh, cute packaging. Green jar. Obviously a night cream that has collagen. They've got a little moon on the top. And oh, whoa, the texture honestly looks heavenly. All right. I guess it's time to open the last box. Number 24, last box. Here we go, guys. What's in the box? In the box. Oh, we have the Unleashia Glitterpedia eyeshadow palette. Which one is this one? Number 1, all of glitter. Oh, I think this is the, ooh, you guys. I've been wanting to try this for quite some time too, because I'm all about the glitters. How sick is that? Literally so pretty. You know, we got to swatch it. Maybe like the one in the middle there, the most shimmery one. Oh my gosh, you see that? And then we'll try one of the kind of like smaller shimmers. All right, here we go. Wow. I don't even have to hold it close. You can literally see the reflection of the shimmer. That is so cool. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow. I love glitter. That is all 24 boxes from the YesStyle Winter Beautyland Advent Calendar. I will be honest, after opening the 2 previous years, I think this year might be the best one. I feel like in previous years, it definitely was a mixture of minis and full-size products, whereas this year it was all full-size products, which you know we all love. As promised, it is now time for the giveaway. So 2 winners will be chosen at random to receive this Winter Beautyland Advent Calendar from YesStyle. Of course, I will leave all of the details on how to enter in the description, but first things first, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, this button right here. Make sure you click it. Second, make sure you are following me and YesStyle over on Instagram. Lastly, leave a comment on this video with your favorite product from the Advent Calendar or the one you are most interested in trying. The giveaway will be open for 1 week from the upload of this video, and the winners will be contacted via DM on Instagram from YesStyle. Winners won't be contacted by comments or anything. Just make sure that you don't respond to scammers and stuff, because they do tend to come along with the giveaways on YouTube. Once again, the official launch is on October 10th, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. It was obviously a lot of fun for me. Like, it's literally just Christmas came early. If you do want to check out more content, I have selected 2 for you guys here to check out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah!